Hello everyone and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and today we're going to be cooking up a super healthy, super yummy vegan spaghetti sauce. Heads up, I'm going to be calling this Sketty the rest of the entire episode, I guarantee it. Once you try this, there is no way you're going to be going back to pre-made sauce ever again. Let's go ahead and get started. This sauce is chock full of veggies. We're going to start off with throwing some carrots and celery into our food processor. If you prefer chunkier sauces, you can keep the pieces a little larger. I like mine really smooth, so I'm going to keep things in there a while. For now, we're going to set this aside and do the same thing with a full onion and some garlic cloves. Try to get everything to an even consistency. In the meantime, we're going to get out a large pot on the stove, throw in a generous amount of olive oil, and heat that at medium-high. Now that the pot is hot, we'll add our onion and garlic mix. We're going to let that simmer for around 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Our goal is to get those onions nice and translucent. Once they reach that point, we'll throw in our celery and carrots. Mix that together with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and we're going to let that simmer for around another 8 minutes. Now that our fresh veggies are cooked, we're going to add 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, a couple of bay leaves, and a dash of red pepper flakes to give it a nice zing. Now if spice isn't your thing, you can definitely skip out on those pepper flakes. Turn the heat to low and cover it, otherwise you'll be cleaning sauce all over your kitchen and have a very upset Zoe on your hands. I'd like to save you that experience. We're going to let that simmer for around 40 minutes, stirring occasionally. In the meantime, we're going to enjoy this amazing aroma filling up our kitchen. Sauce is almost ready, so let's put a pot of water on the stove for our noodles. Spaghetti works best, but I'm feeling linguine today. Now here's a secret for amazing restaurant-level pasta. After straining it out, put it straight back into the pot. Don't rinse it and add some salt, pepper, and a little bit of olive oil and toss it all together. Feel free to add some butter if you'd like. Plate this up and add some fresh basil as a garnish, and that right there is a gorgeous looking plate of sketty. Oh boy, I'm excited for this. If I can actually get it. There we go. Oh yeah. It is crazy how something this good can also be so good for you. Our sauce has such a deep richness to it, and our red pepper flakes keep every single bite interesting. After you try this, there is no way you're going to go back to canned spaghetti sauce ever again. Well, that is going to do it for today. If you'd like to see more vegetarian and vegan meals, give us a like and subscribe. Let us know how your sketty turned out in the comments below, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Oh jeez, oh jeez. Making a mess. Ah! It's on that. Ah! Ah!
Don't start a fire.